Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have my Boxycharm by Ipsy box for November. I'm excited to see this. I honestly, with it, I don't have my phone is charging. I don't remember what I picked. Hopefully I remember once I see the products. Glow Off This Winter is the theme. And you get, you know, the little pamphlet. I don't think it really gives you any information whatsoever. Sales, 11/18 to 11/30 is the Black Friday deals. 12/1 to 12/8 is Cyber Week sale, obviously. Their calendar is, I think, available. Last time I checked it was. That was pretty good. If anybody's interested, that would make a great gift. Well, I kind of remember some of these now that I see it. First item is from Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner, and this is in Dusty Rose. I'm going to check to see if I have this one. If I have this one already, I'll share this one, so I won't be swatching it. I can show you the color, though. I mean, I don't know if I'll... I don't think I can look. So this is the tone. It's a beautiful... I do think I have this one, as a matter of fact. And I love her pencils because they're not round. They're flat on around the sides, so they don't roll all over the place when you put them down. I think I might have that one, so that's okay. I don't mind that. I have no idea what was the... I honestly don't remember. So the next is from OPV Beauty, and this is a Skin Gold Primer. This is sealed, so let me open this. I really don't. What was the boost? Honestly, don't remember which one of these was the boost product. Not that it matters. Wish I could remember. I don't. Bad memory. So this is nice packaging right here. Interested to try this as a primer. So let's just see what it looks like. Oh, it's orange for sure. So this is Skin Gold Primer. Let me get that lid on. And so it is right there. Is it going to give sheen? That's a lot for just my hand. Like, that would be a good amount for your whole face. And it doesn't leave, like, here's nothing, and this has it on here. It doesn't leave any color, like any tone behind. I thought maybe it would leave just like a little bit of a, like when you first put it on, like a, I don't know what the smell is, like medicinal type smell. But I don't smell it now, and that is in. I mean, that is in your skin. Wow. It does make it nice and glowy compared, like this hand. This is the one with it. I know it's so hard on camera. Like, this is very dry and flat. Now, I've been doing a lot of cleaning dishes today and stuff like that. But this definitely feels softer and has a little bit of sheen to it. So that's nice. I'm excited to try that. So I don't think I got that in PR, did I? I don't remember what I got in my PR. I don't remember yesterday, let alone what I got in boxes. It's not good. From Volution, this is their Overnight Retinol Serum. I've tried their products before. They are pretty good. I don't know if I've tried the retinol. Retinol's always good no matter what age you are, personally. Well, this is nice. Nice glass bottle. Is this a dropper? Yeah, so it's a dropper. And it's a little thick, this serum. I personally would just use retinol at night. And please wear sunscreen. Any time of year when you're using retinol, you should use a sunscreen all year round. But specifically, if you're putting retinol on your face, you will burn very easily. And that's, I think, the last place that any of us want to burn is our face, personally. Next, I have here from Iconic London, Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter. And I think did I get this in my PR? I think so. So if I did, I'll share one. Yeah, I did. Right here. So I'm not going to touch this one because I did swatch in my... I think I swatched it in my PR box, so I will share that, but I'll share from this box. From Galactic, I have a Luminous Face Powder. I think they chose this for me. And I think this is in, sort of like a tone on this. I thought it was in light, which I think is odd for them to choose light from me, because I'm not generally light. It's usually more medium, but we'll see what this looks like once I open it. Well, that's not bad. Right there. So let's give that a shot. Well, that feels nice to the touch. There's the powder. I'm going to put it on top of the primer and see what I think. So I just put it right here. I don't know if you guys, it does, there is some shimmer to it. So if you didn't want to use that all over your face, maybe you could use it like underneath, or over top of like blush and blush and bronzer, and it would give it a little bit of shimmer. There is a mirror, but it does have a cover on it. That's actually nice. I like that. It really has some sheen. You could use that as a highlighter instead of a face powder. You can just use that as your highlighter. Use that under your brow bone. Get a little brush and go in the inner corner. And then I have the last item in this box is from Il Makiage Shade Addict. I think that's what this is. I think I have, I'm not sure if I have this one or not. This palette. I know I have smaller ones. I did get, this is what their palette looks like. I did get a palette in the past. I'm not sure if I have this one or not. So let me just block off the mirror. So that is right there. The Il Makiage palette is an all neutral palette. I'm going to see right now if I have, no, this is the wrong drawer. Let me see if I have this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. My palette drawer is a mess. A mess. I don't know if I'd have to look a little bit better if I have this one or not. But that would be a perfect palette for me. If I don't have it, I'll keep it. If I have it, I will share it. And this is, Il Makiage is not cheap, but I love their foundation too. Now, I didn't choose their foundation as like my favorites because I haven't really been using it that much because I've been loving, obviously, Laura Geller's foundation. That's my go-to, probably, 250 days out of the year. I like to try the Urban Decay. I'll try Yensa. I will use Il Makiage. What was the other one that I showed in my favorites? Now I don't remember. Laura Geller. It was Urban Decay. Oh, the Tear. That's actually pretty nice. So I don't really use the others as much as I wear Laura Geller. I am a Geller girl through and through. Love the blush too. Tarte's my favorite blush though, but I have, trying to think, I have a few lip products from Laura Geller, but that is the easiest foundation. One is a powder. I just all over, blush, a little bronzer, lip, eyebrow, and I'm good to go. I don't even have to mess with eyeshadow half the time. But not a bad Boxycharm box, considering I have a palette, a face powder, a highlighter, the primer, which is nice, the lip liner, which is really pretty, but like I said, I think I have that one already. I think I purchased that. And then the retinol. So we have one skincare and the rest makeup. So I think that's pretty good. Let me know your thoughts. I'd be happy to hear what your thoughts are. And I appreciate all you watching. Have a wonderful day. And I'll catch you all in next week's videos. Bye for now.